Welcome to the Maryland Gardener channel. Today is cabbage maintenance day. I got all my brassicas that I'm going to be trying to take care of. Kind of protect them from the slugs. So I'm going to show you a little, well, I guess you've heard about this before, but I'm going to do this to my plants. It's the first time I'm actually trying it. It's the beer trap for the slugs. And I'm going to work on my brassicas right here. And what I usually do, man, I to try and clean out the dead leaves underneath. So get all the dead stuff underneath there. You don't want it to grow any diseases, any fungus, anything that looks already too much like it's going to be rotting away. Go ahead and clean those off. Now you see how these have come back up. I don't know if you remember the last video. They was probably all eaten up. Basically sticks, and it seems to it's coming right back up again. So now I'm going to put that those little beer cups in there to keep the slugs away. You're going to be looking for some food. So let's trim these out. Be careful moving them around. They're really fragile. See this one here, this is not going to do anything for me. So we'll trim that one out, trim that out. Alright, so this is the little cups I'm going to use, just little dog food cups that I've saved up for this. And you just bury them underneath here. Put them level to the put them level to the dirt. They can get in there easily. So we're going to do another one. We're not going to run in between, you know, because they just a little trench. Fill it a little bit. Like so. Alright. Now this is some old beer, not wasting any good stuff. This is old beer from an old gathering I had, and so I'm not going to be drinking this beer. It's not one of my favorites. But the slugs are going to love it. Pour a little bit of beer in there, like so. That should be enough. Smells good. Now I gotta keep it away from the dog, because the dog might want might want a little sip of this. I don't know, but so that's it. You just let them sit like that. We're gonna do the other cabbages around the corner here. Okay. Easy. All right, so I'm gonna put 4 here. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna trim these up. Cut out all the bad, all the ones that have gone rotten on me here. Try and get rid of all those. See that one there? It's starting to get kind of moldy. Get rid of those. It looks pretty good. It's starting to close up in here. This one here is starting to close up as well. This is the quick start cabbage. It's starting to close up in the middle. So I'm gonna put one more cup here. Okay, and turn out. So. you're gonna have to probably change these. Gonna have to change these. Check them once in a while, and then when they start to fill up, as they start filling up with slugs, you know, dump it out and refill. Whenever you have any beer that's left over, you know, you don't want to. I don't know. I wouldn't put the good stuff on there. So. So I'll be checking them. I'll probably check them. Probably check them tomorrow morning. See what's going on. If there's any slugs in there already. Let's get the other one done here. And I'm gonna clean up all the ones that are chewed up. That. Clean this up. This one can go. Okay, for another one. Another one right here. Chewed up. Okay. No, I guess right now everybody's planting their cabbages and broccoli and you know that stuff. Kales, slugs are going to be on them like crazy, so try to get those preventive measures now. I mean, when they're getting to this size, you can see all the damage is done already. See that? So you got to stay on it, keep them covered, stay on the slug repellents. I'm going to try, this is my first time trying this out actually, so I'm going to see how that works out for me. I've seen a lot of people do this, and you know, I thought I'd give it a shot. Maybe the slugs have a low tolerance for alcohol and get their little drink on, and you go to, you know, fall in there and go to slug heaven, you know. It's a good way to go. A little drink of beer, something to, you know. So they're going in style. They're going feeling good. I hope. We'll do one more right here. Alright, almost out of beer here. Another beer that not my favorites. So I'm gonna mix these two. A little cocktail for them. And I'll keep whatever beer is left. Just stick it in the fridge for a refill. Well, that's it for the slug bait there, beer bait, whatever you call that. And just keep an eye on them. I'll check them tomorrow morning, see how they do. So right now we're going to do a little bit of a harvest. I got some stuff to harvest around the garden. I thought I'd take you along to see that. Might as well. If I'm going to be out here picking, might as well let you know what I have going on. But I got a lot of jalapenos that I need to pick. And they've been really good. I already got plans for the last batch I picked. Pick some jalapenos. These have been really good this year. I've been having good luck with jalapenos. I think I'm going to try jalapenos next season, and maybe some habaneros. I've never tried to grow those. I might get some seeds for those and see how they go. They're all over the place, so I really gotta look good. Here. Now they're still flowering. Still see a lot of flowers on here. I'll pick the ones off the plant now so they can keep on producing. I'm going to be giving a lot of this stuff away too, because I have a lot in the fridge that I'm going to process soon. It's a nice one right here. Look at these. Not bad, huh? I'm gonna leave the small ones in there and they'll grow a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna give these away to my neighbors. Got a neighbor that likes spicy peppers, so I'm not gonna be able to eat all of them. So I'm going to be giving some of these away, if not all of them. I do have more in the fridge, and I'm going to be be processing. Go around. Oh, this one right here, nice one right here. This nice one. I don't know if you can see it. Nice. That's the way I like them. Nice little size one. Right here. Mix these. Okay, a few more. I don't see any more that I can pick. I think I've got all the good ones. Let's look. Let's see. I think that is it. I'll let the other ones get a little bigger. I'll just more on this side. You can see these. And that should be it. Then we've got some tomatoes too. Got about almost like a little basket full of tomatoes I gotta pick too. I'll leave the other ones on there. Let's get some tomatoes. Got 3 nice ones over here. Let's get these. This is the big boy tomato. Nice one. That one's going to ripen up very well. Yeah, this one here. A little bit of cracking on top of that. That's a nice one. Let's go. I got some behind the fence over here I can get. So let me go around. Alright. Got one right over here, excuse me. One right over here. These are the beefsteak tomatoes. Nice. They're just about right. They're not too ripe, not too green. I'm gonna let these ripen up on the shelf. There's the next one's here. Okay, got one over here. Take this one too. And the tomato is still growing. Surprisingly, you know what, I haven't had, knock on wood, I haven't had any tomato hornworms. I haven't had any issues with that, believe it or not. Right about now is when they start to eat everything up, but I've had no issues with that, and haven't put any pesticides on anything either. So I don't know, maybe I locked out this year. Usually by August, middle of, early August, I'll have a problem with those, but I haven't had none. So that's a good thing. So let's go to the peppers. I got some red peppers to pick. Get my scissor. Uh-oh. Those are tomatoes. Okay. Let's get this one here. This is a should be Italian reds. Oh, this is a green pepper. Actually, it's a green pepper that's ripened up. It's turned red on me, so I'm gonna pick this one. And then we've got some Marconis. These I've gotten. They've already ripened up, and I'm not gonna let them go any longer to get any bigger. I don't think they will. So I'm going to get some more Marconi peppers. Supposed to be a little bigger than this, but if I let them go any longer, they'll probably start to get rotten. So I'm just going to pick them now. Kind of half the size. They're still nice and good, nice and sweet. Let's see if I got anything else in here. Missing. That's all. These aren't quite ready yet, but they're coming in. It's supposed to rain today, so I'm not gonna have to water the garden today. So I'm gonna just let Mother Nature do the watering for me. So more on this way. All right, and that's our harvest and our video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try these slug beer traps over there. I'm gonna check them out tomorrow, see how they do. And we'll see you again next time. Please subscribe, hit that bell button so that you can get notified when I have new videos coming out, and hit the like button if you like this video. I appreciate that. Thank you to all my subscribers and anybody watching now. Thank you for watching and subscribe, and I hope I can make good videos for you guys. Take care and have a great day.